I think I've been using Patriot Plumbing for about 4 years now. Patriot Plumbing has dealt with a pipe that burst in our wall, installed a water filtration unit, replaced a sump pump outside, as well as a number of leaky faucets. And definitely we've been nothing but happy with everything that Patriot has done for us. I would absolutely refer Patriot Plumbing to friends and family, and I have, in fact, because like I said, the work gets done, it gets done right, it gets done quickly, and we've been nothing but 100% satisfied with all the work Patriot